In this video, you will learn how to continue numbering in Word after a paragraph. For example, let's say you have item number 1 and item number 2, and now you want to write a normal paragraph before continuing with item number 3. First, press Enter at the end of item number 2 to create the next numbered line. Then press Enter again, and Word will stop the numbering and give you a normal paragraph. Type your paragraph here. When you're ready to continue your numbered list, press Enter at the end of the paragraph and click the Numbering button from the Home tab. If Word starts again from number 1, simply right-click the new number and choose Continue Numbering. Word will automatically continue from the previous number. So if your last item was number 2, the next item will become number 3. You can also right-click the number and choose Set Numbering Value if you need to control the exact number. That's it. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe.